Stone Throw Garage is what I'm about.
Okay, well, standing outside right next to this amazing Honda Fit. Now, it's been sitting for longer than I'd like to admit, but this thing used to run really good. Now, the thing I have to figure out is why is it not starting? I put a brand new battery in it. Lights all come on, but the car doesn't start. So, let's figure that out. Plus, this car, well, I'll admit, has turned into basically, here, let's show you. It's turned into a bit of a garbage catch-all. I sold my Android Auto radio out of here. I had a center console. I was trying to sell this SI seat, so it's just sitting there. In the back here, what do I got back here? Tires, Volvo drive shafts, some tools. So, I need to fix that. So, let's see here. Ooh. Nothing. Okay. Let's figure this out. So in this picture, you can see the starter solenoid lead is corroded right off. And now what I'm doing is checking to see if my ignition is working. Soon you'll see the light going on and off as I flick the key back and forth. This shows the ignition wasn't the problem. The key was sending the signal, but the starter couldn't use the power because the wire was corroded. Okay, I know. I probably should have been filming this whole process, but because it's just my vehicle, kind of a time-sensitive thing, and I was really hoping to not have to go through all this just to get this Honda working again. However, as you can see, I had to tear a lot of this engine apart just to get down there and replace that starter. So I haven't really attempted anything yet. I'm just hoping everything works. Oh, I'm not gonna start it and run it. I just want to see and make sure there's no other electrical issues that I need to worry about. Okay, let's try this thing. Keys are in the pocket. Now, going through all the things I was trying to eliminate, right now I've removed the clutch safety switch so I can bypass that. But okay, we have power. Everything seems alright. Now let's listen. Yeah. Let's put the rest of the car back together. Okay, just a little update here. I know it seems like it's getting really late, but it's only like 4 o'clock. Anyways. She's alive again. Well, obviously, I'm not still in my driveway, but I'm at work. Because it was my personal vehicle and I wanted to make sure that I could drive to work Monday, I had to put the pedal to the metal and get this job completed so I had something to drive. Having said that, please bear with me. I'm still learning this whole YouTube, trying to always videotape myself doing stuff, and also trying to start a business at the same time. Anyways, so yeah, the car's working, everything's running really good. I've been driving it now for a few days, and hopefully I won't be driving it for too long. I really did enjoy driving that Volvo. So much more comfortable, so much quieter than this vehicle. But it is what it is. I'm stuck and I have to drive this now. Thanks for watching Stone Floor Garage, and stay tuned for the next episode. Alright, let's try this thing. Whoa! Okay. Thanks for watching. Blah, blah, blah. And stay tuned to the next episode.
Got grease on my hands, dirt on my shirt, and got a big name shop, but I know my worth. Stone Floor Garage, that's where I stay, helping folks out in my own kind of way. Yeah. I'm built on honesty, driven by purpose. Shoot me an email, let's figure it out. Stone Floor Garage is what I'm about, yeah. It's not about money, it's not about fame, just fixing what's broken, calling your name. Every boat has a story, every dent has a tale. Together we'll ride, we won't derail. Built on honesty, built on honesty, built on honesty, driven by purpose. If you need a hand, you know where to surface. Shoot me an email, let's figure it out. Stone Floor Garage is what I'm about, yeah. Stone Floor Garage is what I'm about, yeah. Out, yeah, out, yeah, out, yeah, out, yeah. Your engine's whining, you're only changing. I'll take a look if it feels just right. A wrench in my hand and a dream in my heart. We'll fix it together, let's tear it apart. No suit, no tie, just a rag and a grin. Pop that hood, let the work begin. Built on honesty, built on honesty, built on honesty, driven by purpose. If you need a hand, you know where to surface. Show me an email, let's figure it out. Stone Floor Garage is what I'm about, yeah. Built on honesty, driven by purpose. If you need a hand, you know where to surface. Stone Floor Garage is what what I'm about.